Welcome. Let's deep dive into the world of generative AI. Hello. Welcome to the first virtual edition of the Insurance Technology Diary. I am Sabine. However, today I will use Jenny's synthetic voice to dive into the world of generative AI and where it is already used in insurance. The artificial intelligence market exploded in recent months due to advancements within the generative artificial intelligence space. As of today, OpenAI acquired over 100 million active users on its ChatGPT. 13 million daily visitors have shown interest in the platform. We have seen articles discussing the augmentation and productivity improvement this AI-led advancements will deliver across industries. Still, we have also seen the risk that the freedom in creative design could create from an intellectual property viewpoint. We understand that the tools may create deepfakes, learn from fake news, code malware, initiate security breaches and allow plagiarism. This resulted in the recent deployment of guardrails highlighted in recent news articles. Those, as we know, are just normal setbacks in the design of augmented capabilities that will, hopefully, shape a better world. The world of artificial intelligence is moving at fast pace. Over $481 billion has been invested into artificial intelligence technologies and advanced algorithms over the past 15 years. And this across 19,000 startups. This is not a small number, as 70% of startups are still either emerging or seeking investor funding. Big players and winners in the artificial intelligence space include: in the analytics space, Amazon, Google, and IBM. In the engagement space, HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zendesk. And in the automation space, UiPath, and Automation Anywhere. Let's now dive into the world of generative AI. The world of generative AI has now achieved a significant milestone over the past 3 months with the OpenAI announcements. Generative AI is not new, though. Talking to a few experts over the past few days, I have learned that 10 years of investment has already been put into this tech segment, raising over $53 billion in funding across 3,000 startups. Well-known applications include neural network-based machine translation tool for freelance enterprises, DeepL, which gained its unicorn status in January 2023. Software as a service-based platform for content creation, Jasper, acquired its unicorn status in October 2022. Open-source software for generating music and image, Stability AI, also gained its unicorn status in October 2022. Generative AI platforms used in the finance industry and to service customers also include financial and company-led search engine AlphaSense, that uses its engine to evaluate tech companies. AlphaSense acquired its unicorn status in June 2022. Cloud-based omnichannel customer service platform, Glaya, gained its unicorn status in March 2022. Real-time AI guidance for contact center agents, Cresta, acquired its unicorn status in March 2022. And finally, conversational service automation platform, Uniphore, gained its unicorn status in February 2022. Let's spend a few moments to define generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence designed to generate new, original content or data, such as images, videos, audio, or text, that resembles or follows patterns from existing data. Think about it as always having a virtual expert or digital artist in your office. Generative AI uses machine learning algorithms to learn a dataset's underlying patterns and structures. To keep things simple, there are 2 main types of models: generative adversarial networks, also called GANs, and then transformer-based models. GANs are great at creating visual and multimedia content from images and text. Transformer-based models, like generative pre-trained or GPT language models, take in information from the internet and generate all sorts of text, from website articles to press releases to white papers. The knowledge of generative AI models is used to generate new data sets that are similar in nature to the original dataset. This process involves training the AI model on large datasets, which will include hundreds of thousands or even millions of examples. Generative AI, as one of the most disruptive and fast-moving technologies, shares Gartner in a 2022 Emerging Technologies and Trends Impact Radar report. The exploration of generative AI modeling methods is growing and proving itself in many industries. These industries include life sciences, healthcare, manufacturing, material science, media, entertainment, automotive, aerospace, defense, and energy. While there is still some work to be done, it is clear that the generative AI market size is growing. The market size reached $10.3 billion in 2022 according to Globe Newswire. The market is anticipated to reach $54 billion by 2028 according to the same research, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 32.2%. There are a number of areas worthwhile investigating. These include smart data capture platforms, secure identity verification solutions, conversational service automation tools, search engines, low-code platforms, face and voice recognition as well as text-to-image, video and other forms of translation software. I have highlighted a number of well-known players already with well-known solutions below. What does this mean for insurance? I would say the world of AI and insurance is bright, and many startups have already been leveraging advancements in generative AI for years. First, in the fraud detection and claims management space, generative AI has been used to detect fraudulent claims and improve claims processing. By learning the patterns and characteristics of fraudulent claims from historical data, the system can flag suspicious claims and alert investigators for further review. Generative AI can automate the claims processing process by extracting relevant information from claims documents and using that information to assess the claim. This can help to speed up the process and reduce costs for insurers. A well-known unicorn in the space is Shift Technology, an AI-driven fraud detection platform that uses machine learning to identify fraudulent insurance claims. Second, another domain resides within risk assessment, underwriting and pricing. Generative AI can be used to generate synthetic data that can be used to train machine learning models for risk assessment and drive more accuracy within the underwriting process. This can be particularly useful in situations with limited data available. In this case, generative AI creates synthetic data similar to the real-world data to fill the gaps and produce the information required to improve evaluations. Further, advanced risk modeling techniques enable insurers to build predictive models that can be used for underwriting risk mitigation and risk management. AI-driven unstructured data analyses can generate insights for commercial underwriting. Both DataRobot and Planck have delivered some great work in this sphere. Then, third, generative AI are used to create conversational AI scripts, chatbots and virtual assistants to help customers with insurance-related queries and issues. These systems can be trained on large volumes of historical data to provide accurate and helpful with customer responses. Indeed, GPT-3 is used to generate human-like text in a variety of contexts and automate responses to customer servicing and sales inquiries. Leo is an excellent example of conversational AI used to enable insurance agents. Fourth, generative AI can be used to create personalized insurance products tailored to individual customers' needs. The system can generate insurance products that best meet customers' preferences by analyzing them. Think about platforms such as Slice Labs or Cognizure. And that is it for me. Let's reconnect soon. Follow our venture validation and commercialization work at Alchemy Crew.